Hello students, today we will study the chapter number 4. Topic is practical geometry. This is the topic of standard 8. Okay, so in last lecture we have studied how to construct a quadrilateral if 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given, right? So this question is related to that topic. Here we have to construct a parallelogram, MORE, right? In which OR is equals to 6 centimeter, RE is equals to 4.5 centimeter, and EO is equals to 7.5 centimeter. Now you may wonder here that why only 3 dimensions are given, why only 3 measurements are given, right? Because here we have to notice that what we have to construct a parallelogram. So before we construct the parallelogram, we must have the knowledge of the parallelogram, properties of the parallelogram, right? Okay, so what is the property of the parallelogram? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. That property you must know, then only you can construct this parallelogram, right? Okay, so first of all what we have to do, that you know that very well. First of all we have to draw a rough diagram, right? What we have to do, first of all we have to draw a rough diagram. Okay, so like this is a parallelogram, so we can draw it as like this. This is the second side, third side, and this will be the fourth side. Okay, so in this way we can draw a rough diagram. Okay, now give it the name. What is the name? We can give it the name in the clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, right? Okay, so we will start from here. M O R and E, right? And which dimension we have given? See, OR is equals to 6 centimeter, RE is equals to 4.5 centimeter, and one of the diagonal EO is given. See, one of the diagonal EO is given, and that value is 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter, right? So this is the rough diagram because we do not have take the actual dimensions, right? Now we will construct this parallelogram by taking the actual measurements. Okay, so in last time, from where we start? In last class, in last parallelogram we start with the base MO. Okay, you can also start to construct a parallelogram from the diagonal or any quadrilateral from the diagonal. So today in this class we will construct this parallelogram using this diagonal. Okay, so first of all we will draw this diagonal. And what is the dimension? The dimension of this diagonal is 7.5 centimeter, right? So first of all take the exact value, that is of 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so here this is our 0. From that 0 we have to go up to 7 and 7.5, right? So this is the diagonal, that is of 7.5 centimeter. So give it the name. You can give it the E and O, right? So our diagonal is here EO. Now see, you can see that from this diagonal, this side there is only one point R, and this side only one point, that is of M. So first of all we will draw this R point. So how we can find this R? You can notice that this R is 6 centimeter away from this O. So we can draw that R 6 centimeter in this direction. Okay. So here now you know that what we have to use. We have to use a compass. Okay. So by using the compass, now you know that we can draw an arc, and using that arc, this is the scale. How much distance we have to take? 6 centimeter. So this is our 0. This is the distance of 6 centimeter, right? So here you can notice that 0 and 6, right? Okay, now what we have to do? Make an arc from O, right? Make an arc from this O point here in this direction. Okay, now this R is also at 4.5 centimeter from the E point, right? R is 4.5 centimeter away from the E point. So here we have to extend this arc because we get this point nearby here, right? Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to make an arc that is of 4.5 centimeter, right? Okay, now take a distance of 4.5 centimeter. So this is our 0 and this is the distance of 4.5, right? Okay, now make an arc from this point. Okay, here also we have to extend this arc because this distance is very short. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to extend this arc, that is of 6 centimeter. Okay, so take this much of distance and draw this arc. Okay, so both the points, the arc from O and from E, are intersecting in this point. So this point is what? This point is our R. Okay, now join both the points. By joining O and R, we get the RE side of a parallelogram. Now join O and R, we get another side of the parallelogram, right? Okay, now which point will remain? M point will remain here. So what is the distance of MO? It is equal to the ER because in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So this MO is also of 4.5 centimeter and this EM is also equal to this OR, that is of 6 centimeter, right? So now again from O we have to take 4.5 centimeter of the distance. Yes. Okay, so currently in our compass we have 6 centimeter of the distance. So from point E we can make an arc of 6 centimeter to get the point M. Okay, so we have to draw an arc which to get the point R. Okay, so let us do it here. Okay, make an arc of 6 centimeter here. Okay, now how much distance we have to take? We have to take 4.5 centimeter again. So take here, this is 0, this is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, okay, now this 4.5 we have to make from O point. So keep the point here and make an arc which intersect the previously drawn arc. So here also we get one intersecting point. And which point is this? this point is M. So give it the name M. Okay. Now join EM. By joining these 2 points, we get one another side, and by joining this point, we get the last side, that is OM. Right? So in this way, here you can notice that we get a shape. This shape is a parallelogram. Yes, because both these sides are parallel and equal. Both these sides are also parallel and equal. And the distance. Okay, now you can also write down the dimensions, that this is of 7.5 centimeter. OR is of 6 centimeter. In the same way, this EM is also of 6 centimeter. OM is of 4.5 centimeter. In the same way, this also we get as a 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so in this way we can start to construct any quadrilateral from the diagonal and also get the same actual diagram. Okay, you can also start to construct this from the base MO. Okay, this is up to you how you can draw this diagram, how you can understand, how you can construct this quadrilateral. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Thank you.